It's a war drum pounding in my chest. A hurricane's rage, I can never rest. Winds of doubt swirl, but I stand unbowed. Metal in my veins makes my spirit loud. I feel the steel beneath each breath, a force unstoppable, defying death. Heartbeats and hurricanes tearing through the calm. I am the thunder's echo, I am the storm's own song. Beats like iron hammers, crashing in my veins. I'll burn it all down, rising through the flames. Electric pulses flash behind my eyes. I'm alive in chaos where true power lies. Every surge of adrenaline's my guide. I'll let the tempest in and no fear to hide. Still steel, cold resolve fuels every strike. This hurricane, heart's ready to ignite. Heartbeats and hurricanes tearing through the calm. I am the thunder's echo, I am the storm's own song. Beats like iron hammers, crashing in my veins. I'll burn it all down, rising through the flames. Let the riff roar, let the cymbals crash. My blood runs electric in this metal mash. I am the eye of chaos, standing tall. Hear my heart